Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Angela here. Welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here, and please consider subscribing at the end of the video. Welcome. Today, in today's video, I'm using a 10 round, and I am going to do a little bit of a cloud pour that I want to build some clouds in the middle of the canvas. And I'm reusing some paint that I had laying around, and this canvas here, it's also a canvas that I'm going to reuse. I poured some paint that I collected on my turf, and it was sitting on my paint cabinet. So yeah, today I am going to use my cloud white, which is a mixture of Satin Enamels and Artist Loft. So Satin Enamels, Artist Loft, and a little bit of Floetrol. So that is my cloud mixture. I put very little Floetrol in there. And my colors that I'm gonna use, I'm actually gonna pour them in I'm gonna layer them in a cup. This is that one there is magenta, Conacodon magenta. This here it's blue. It is what is it, turquoise blue? Yes, that is turquoise blue. Like I said, I'm reusing some paint that I just finished another canvas. That is Winsor Newton's paint gray, and this one here is DIOXAZINE purple. So yeah, and the consistency, it's very good. It's buttermilk consistency. All the colors and the cloud mixture, they all have the same consistency. And guys, I'm using voiceovers, so if my video and my audio is not syncing, that's what's going on. I'm using voiceovers. I painted this when my kids were awake, and you know, they have their own games that they play and just having fun in the house, and I didn't want all that noise coming on the video. So yeah, basically, like I said, I'm gonna pour this paint in a cup, which I'm doing right now, layering. I put the cloud mixture first, and then I add all the other colors, just layer them as much as I need to. And as you will see later on, I'm gonna do a few pours until I get to the painting that I'm satisfied with, that I'm happy with. So just keep watching and enjoy the video, and also the music, and some parts I might time lapse them, that way the video is not too long, or I might just kind of just do it without time lapse, just so you can see how I layer my cups, how I pour in the middle of the canvas, and how much paint I pour, and how I tilt, all that good stuff. I've decided lately that instead of doing a lot of time lapse, because I really want my my viewers to kind of learn how these paintings are done, I'm not going to be doing a lot of time lapse, and I've had a few of my subscribers and my viewers ask me to not not time lapse my video, especially in the most important parts. I did not even realize that, but in the most important parts, like pouring the paint in the cup and also tilting the canvas, you know, when you're tilting and you put on a time lapse, it just looks like you're doing it really fast. But these paints need to be moved very slowly, and real time it's better. That way people can can watch and concentrate on the process. So I do apologize if I've been really time-lapsing the videos too much. If you think the videos are too long or boring, I hope they're not boring, because I think my work is really interesting. But if you do, just go ahead and I'm gonna try to kind of timestamp my videos. That way you can just go to that particular area that you want to watch most. If advisable to watch the whole thing, just to see what is happening and how it turned out that way, what happened there. So that's what I would do. I would just watch everything. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. These videos are very relaxing, and the music is good. Even if I'm not talking, just watch the video throughout, listen to the music, and you will learn. Usually when people are learning, they don't skip a chapter of a book, or because if you do, you will not learn anything. So it's just, that's my opinion. So and like I said, here I am just tilting. I just finished pouring my putting my ring pour on the canvas, and now I'm just tilting. And again, I will repeat this. See that little line there? When I was pouring my cup, I made a mistake of letting the last drop kind of drop on my ring, and that's what happened. Now it's got a little string that I don't like there, so I might end up pouring. Yeah, I'm gonna end up pouring over this particular painting because I don't, it doesn't look right. The middle does not look right because it's got that little streak there. But yeah, so go ahead and just enjoy this video, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing, and if you have not, please consider subscribing so you can get notifications. Once you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then click all so you can get all the notifications of my my new videos when I upload. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you again a little bit as the video ends. Once the video ends, I'll give you a final result, dry result, and I might also end up embellishing this video. So I mean this painting. So So I will embellish it. And what embellishments usually do to a painting is just, you can either draw something on it, or you can just make the lines a little bit more visible. Yeah, and just make it pop. So yeah, and this one looks pretty good. See how if you don't move your paint so fast, like if we don't have time lapse, this paint, this is the real time moving, and this is how you should be moving it around. But when there's a time lapse, it just looks like everything is going so fast, and people don't even know how to move this, and it kind of confuses people a lot. So I'm gonna try to not, especially this part right here, I'm gonna try to just take my time, move it nicely. Then you can see where I stopped, and then put it, moved it back, and moved it back and forth. So yeah, again, I would say enjoy, and I will talk to you once this painting is done and ready to be embellished, and also, after I embellish it, if I end up embellishing it. Look how beautiful that is. It is so beautiful. I should have just left it like that, but knowing myself, I went ahead and added other stuff, and now I'm gonna change it, because I was really looking for like a ring in the middle, and it didn't happen. So I'm gonna pour another ring on there, and I think this one will be the last one to pour on there. But see how simple, just mixing different colors can create beautiful art. And again, I forgot to tell you guys, these paints are Liquitex Basics. Yeah, these are Liquitex Basics paint, and they are known to have really good effect, to bring really good result for cloud pours. So yeah, so I will talk to you a little later.